Asa na ang mga sagot nyo? Lag ba ako? Lag ata ako. Lag ata ako, guys.
Tingnan, kalkalin mo dito. Sa pangatlo.
Guys, andyan pa ba kayo? O, di nyo alam yung sagot. Hindi ako lag. Lag ako. Hindi lumalabas yung comment dito sa screen ko. Puro agent na lang ba nandyan? Sige guys, kung wala na pong sasagot na user, itopic na lang natin yung ating anniversary event, okay? Kaso mawawala ako sa screen ha, kasi andito yung phone na ginagamit ko pang cast. Pero maririnig nyo ako. Okay? Wait lang. Naririnig nyo ako, guys? Guys, naririnig nyo ako naman? Naririnig niyo po ako, everyone? Okay, guys. Ayan, wait lang. Wala pa siya. Wala, asa na? Ayan, nakikita niyo po ba yung aking screen? Medyo maliit lang na, guys, kasi hindi ko siya mababago dito sa loob. Pero sana nakikita nyo. Okay? So, para makita nyo po yung ating anniversary events, click nyo tong banner na to, nakalagay, Get ready for 5th anniversary celebration. I-click nyo yan. Tapos, makikita nyo dito, napakadami nating anniversary event. Okay? So, first is yung ating lucky draw. Magi-start po to sa July 1 hanggang July 7, okay? So, meron tayo ditong lucky draw, guys. Ang mga pwede nyo pong mapanalunan ay merong 100 points, 500 points, 5,000 points, 50,000 points, 7-day normal VIP, 7-day red VIP, 7-day purple VIP, 1 million points, 2 million points, and meron tayo nung anniversary star. And syempre, meron tayong mga meron tayong entrance effect, meron tayong profile card, meron tayong yung design pag nag-comment. Pag nag-comment, ayan, meron tayong mga ganon. Syempre, paano kayo makakuha ng draw? Kailangan meron kayong daily income na 500 and kailangan meron din kayong daily income na 10,000 para makakuha kayo ng dalawang draw chances, okay? Kapag meron na kayo niyan, pwede na kayo makapag-draw dito, okay? Nagets po ba? So, ganon siya, guys. Ayan, o.
During the event, complete daily tasks to earn lucky draw chances. You can get up to 3 draws per day. Complete all 3 daily tasks to get 3 draw chances. Use your draw chances to join the lucky draw and receive rewards. Multiple accounts on the same device or accounts flagged by risk control will not receive rewards. Draw chances reset daily at 0 o'clock at C8. Unused chances will not be carried over. The 5th anniversary Star Lucky gift can only be obtained from the lucky draw. It is the key gift for Star Hunt tasks and rankings. Send the 5th anniversary Star Lucky gift to hosts. Each gift received will count toward their progress. Anniversary lucky gifts from the prize pool expire at the end of the day. Hosts who receive 205th anniversary Star Lucky gifts can complete the task and receive 2,000 points. The 5th anniversary Star Lucky gift ranking is a 7-day ranking. Hosts are ranked by the number of the 5th anniversary.
Yes! Our anniversary event is open to all users po, including hosts, male hosts, female hosts, and even agents. Okay? So again, kailangan magawa nyo po tong tasking natin para magkaroon kayo ng lucky draw chances. Okay? So ayan, marami tayong rewards dito guys. We have our 2 million, 1 million, may mga VIPs. Okay? And meron tayong anniversary lucky star. Okay? Ayan. And syempre, meron din tayo dito sa gilid na Star Hunt. Okay? Receive 200 5th anniversary star gifts during the event period. Magkakaroon po tayo ng ranking dito. Okay? Kailangan po, kung taga-Philippines ka, taga-Philippines din yung region na magko-contribute sa'yo. Kapag taga-ibang region yung nag-send sa'yo ng anniversary star, hindi po yun, hindi kayo masisendan guys. Okay? Ayan. Sa ranking natin, we have 5 million, 3 million, 1.5, 1M, 800K, 600,000, 300, 150, and 100,000. Okay? Ano po mapapanalunan sa ranking? Points po. Ito guys, points po yung mapapanalunan natin sa ating ranking. Okay? Sana pwede ko itong lakihan. Kaso, mahati kasi siya guys, makakat kasi siya pag nilakihan ko. Okay? Ayan. And, syempre, meron tayong frame reward guys. Kung naitabi nyo pa guys, kung nasa backpack nyo pa yung ating 1st anniversary, 2nd anniversary, 3rd anniversary, 4th anniversary frame guys, pwede kayong manalo ng mga ating coins. Okay, ayan guys, meron tayong rewards dito. So, sa 1st anniversary, 6,000 coins. 2nd anniversary, 2,000 coins. 3rd anniversary, 500. 4th anniversary, 200 coins. Ayan guys, ganyan. Ito yung sa poster, pwede nyo din yung i-save. Kahit wala kayong coins, yes, pwede po kayong manalo sa lucky draw. Kasi yung draw naman natin guys, makukuha nyo siya sa daily tasking nyo. Okay? 500 income at saka 10,000 na income. Points yun guys, hindi coins. Okay? Yung sa frame reward natin guys, ano yan? July 1 to July 31. Okay, and yun sa ating